Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday. I just got into the office. I'm building up some proposals. Got a few new inquiries that's going to be sending me pictures soon. So anyway, guys, let's get straight to it. Today was a great day. When I did a screen of Rico, did a in-home consultation. And one of my colleagues, one of my network partners, he went to go look at a floor today that I referred to him because I don't install floors. So I have guys that I refer it to. And he went out there, looked at the floor today, gave the guy a price. And he sent me, and I'm going to show you guys, this is what he sent me right here. The guy, he quoted the guy almost $13,000 for some new floors and some sanding and some other stuff. And the guy said he got another quote for $8,000, and he's looking to beat that price. Guys, this is where, first, for the consumer, because I get this all the time, you can go look at some of my videos on YouTube. Consumers sometimes have to take the blame when they get what they pay for, because here it is, you're still looking for, and again, I'm not here to judge nobody how they spend their money, but what I am here to give you guys awareness of somebody who's been in this industry for a long time. Like I was telling a guy earlier, I know a lot of secrets. Okay, usually when they give you a cheaper price, you won't see the shortcuts, you won't see the things that they're leaving out. You won't see the less quality material that they're using. It'll look good to your eyes, but when you start getting cheap prices, I'm here to tell you there's a fact that they are shortcutting your job. You won't know it, okay? But they are. And with that being said, guys, I get so many clients, they have called me. You know, Courtney, do you still have that day? I had one, 2 weeks ago. Courtney, do you still have that day available? No, I don't. We had these other guys come over. Yep. My sanding guys are right now wrapping up a job. Had another company come over. Floors looked horrible. I told the guy, I said, listen, I can't screen or recoat this. This has to be fully sanded. Almost $9,000. Okay? Consumers, man, you guys gotta start doing more research. And when I say this, because people, not a lot of people, okay, because I did a consultation Saturday, and I asked the guy, I said, how did you hear about me? He said, man, me and my wife saw you on Google, and we saw those good reviews, and we started watching your videos, and we said we ain't calling nobody else. Went out there, gave him a price. We're going to screen and recoat the downstairs. We're going to sand the upstairs. He paid his deposit, booked right there on the spot. Okay, that's somebody who know what they want because they did their research, not just calling around trying to see who's the cheapest. Because when you get what you pay for, guys, I'm here to say this: you can't be upset because that's what you paid for, right? When 6 months go down the road and you notice that your floors are not looking how they should, or certain things are happening, again, those shortcuts that they took that you didn't see in the beginning are now starting to come to surface, right? Because you got what you paid for. So as the consumers, we got to take fault sometimes, all right? And to the contractors, and that's why I told my buddy, I said, now you see why I charge for in-home consultation fees. I give people options. You can send me pictures, the measurements, and I can give you a price over the phone, okay? But guys, we are in the Atlanta metro area. Guys, I just left Hateville by the airport, okay? An hour and 40 minutes to get back to Lawrenceville. Guys, you cannot drive around doing free, especially if you live in a city like this. Guys, you will waste so much time, so much gas, so much wear and tear. Then you're gonna get frustrated and stressed because, okay, thank you, we'll call you back, we'll let you know. Okay, never mind. Okay, we just price shopping. I remember one time one of my buddies drove to Fayetteville, Georgia from Stone Mountain. Lady found him. He went up there, gave her a quote, and the husband was there. And the husband even told his wife in front of my buddy, why you wasting this man's time when you know we ain't got no money for no floors? He said, this is what he said. He said, our AC unit's out. We ain't got the AC. We ain't got money to fix the AC units yet. And you know what she said? Well, I just want to see how much it costs. You waste his time from driving to Stone Mountain all the way to Fayetteville, an hour and 30-minute drive. Get there, do the consultation, 10, 15, 20 minutes, and then drive back. Guys, that's over 3 hours. Someone just wasted your time. So that's why me, guys, I know when someone is serious about using my services. And like I said, I'm gonna say probably about 20 to 30% of my clients, just like today, I had 2 of them send me pictures, the measurements, I gave them a price, they paid their deposit, got them on the schedule to get the work done. If I do have to go out and look at it, it's going to be an in-home consultation fee, because I understand that people will waste your time, and especially people like this who are, you give them a price, they already got another price, but now they looking for an even cheaper price. And those would be the same ones, like a lot of my videos, they'll have to find someone to fix it. All right. So anyway, guys, I'm about to wrap this day up. Tomorrow I have an in-home consultation in Canton, Georgia. And then I booked one today in Snellville for tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to Canton tomorrow morning. My buddy Aaron is actually doing a job in Lawrenceville. We are sanding partial of the floors, which he was doing today. And then we want to screen and recoat the entire downstairs tomorrow, which is about 1,700 square feet with UV cure. And then once we get the coating down there, shoot to Snellville, do an in-home consultation, and come back in UV cure. And then the job that my other crew started Saturday, over there by Greenbrier, they'll be finished. That's the sanding job that someone tried to do and they messed it up. And they'll be finishing up that job tomorrow, which is a 4-day process, and I'll be going in Wednesday to UV cure. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. Hopefully this video can help somebody. See you in the next one.